Bring on the sequins, Old Navy. I am here for it. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Oralia, and today I am bringing you a festive Old Navy plus size try-on haul. I actually think that I have found the love of my wardrobe in today's Old Navy plus size try-on haul. I'm a personal stylist, and my passion in life is to help plus size women look and feel their absolute best. I believe that we all deserve to look and feel beautiful regardless of size or age. I am just head over heels in love with all things festive dressing. But anyway, let's go ahead and let's get into it. The first thing that I wanted to talk about is this waist-defined mini dress. It is a tartan dress. I brought it in the size extra, extra large tall. They have a few different colorways. They've got red tartan, they have a floral, and they also have a solid black one. The cost of the dress is $49.99. It is, I believe, 100% cotton. I ordered the tall for length because it is intended to be a mini dress. I don't like wearing minis, so I decided to try the strategy of ordering the tall in order to get more length, and it worked. I do have more length in this dress. It is very, very beautiful. I love the way that it looks. I did bring in a tartan dress from J. Crew Factory, and when I saw this one on the Old Navy side, I'm all like, hey, wait a minute, let's have a look at this one. When I brought that dress in from J. Crew Factory, I was like, wow, this is a really cute dress. And then I saw this one at Old Navy. I'm like, okay, tartan is a thing. And so I decided to bring it in as well because it's a different style. It is a different length, and I thought that maybe it might be better suited for those of you with a larger chest, because I failed to mention in my J. Crew Factory haul video that that dress runs a little bit snug in the chest. This one, on the other hand, is quite generously sized in the chest. So for those of you ladies who have got a larger chest and you don't mind showing a little bit of cleavage, or you could wear something underneath it, this is a really great dress for you. It is really, really beautiful. It has an elasticated waist. It has a really pretty flared out skirt. If you order the tall, it is going to fit longer. If you order the regular or the petite, it's going to be a little bit shorter. So just depending on what you want from this dress. I do love the tartan fabric. I like the fact that it is made of cotton. You will have to wear some kind of tights or something like that if you are in a cooler climate to kind of help keep your legs warm. But it is a really, really gorgeous, gorgeous dress. I really think that it's so pretty and so festive for the season. And yeah, it has a tie back on the back, by the way, so that you can help control the V-neck, you know, how the shoulders fall. So you can fit it a little bit better to your body. I can see this at Christmas. I can see it at, you know, a holiday party with the right kind of accessories. I mean, it is such a pretty dress. Let me interrupt this video by saying that everything that I am talking about is going to be linked in the description bar down below, as well as in the pinned comment, the top comment on this video. Sadly, Old Navy does not participate in the YouTube shop program, and it's not popping up here at the bottom like you're used to seeing. Check the description bar down below. They will be linked there. Also, check my Like to Know It. Make sure that you're following me there, because all of these pieces have made it onto Like to Know It before they have gotten here on the channel. If you aren't familiar with LTK, it is a shopping app that is absolutely free, where I post all of my outfits and all of the other stuff that I have been loving lately. That includes any kind of like holiday decorations, my coffee maker, my coffee cup, I mean, all kinds of stuff. I put it onto LTK. It's all the things that I have absolutely been loving and using. So make sure that you're following me there, because a lot of what you see here, plus a lot of what you don't see, is posted to LTK. And as part of LTK, I am providing gift guides. So if you are interested in gift guides for various categories, whether that be for the luxury for less lover, the pet lover, the home cook, the hostess, all of the things, make sure that you are checking out my Like to Know It page, because I have got several gift guides there to help make shopping for the holidays a lot easier for you. Now that I've said all of that, let's go ahead and let's get back to the video. The next piece that I have got is this sequined mini dress. I ordered it in an extra, extra large tall. The color that I brought in was warm ombre, but they have two other colors, and the cost of the dress is $54.99. This is a beautiful sequin dress. One key thing that I think that some of you ladies might like is the fact that you have full arm coverage in this dress. However, the dress is short. It's meant to be a mini dress. That's why I brought it in tall, because I didn't want a mini dress. I wanted something to be a little bit longer. It is a really pretty dress. It's a very flattering cut. It's got a really pretty, like slightly flared out skirt. It has got those really pretty bell sleeves on it that gives you that arm coverage if you don't like going sleeveless. This is a great option for you. It does go all the way up in the neck. However, it does have a cutout in the back, so you have a little bit of skin showing on your back. I love the ombre vibe of this dress. I love the fact that we've got some like darker brown sequins at the bottom of the dress. I love brown, guys. I love brown. And when it's done with sequins, it's even more beautiful. You just look so modern and so chic because it is in such a right now kind of color like brown. And then of course you've got the champagne-y kind of gold up at the top. Really, really great dress. I love the way that it flows. I love the way that it fit. You will have to wear shapewear. I'm not wearing shapewear in this dress. I am actually just wearing my slip shorts. I would advise that you wear shapewear with it to help smooth everything out, because that sequence is really going to make everything show. Really great option if you don't want to go sleeveless and if you don't mind going up in length. Really, really pretty dress for the festive season. Highly recommend. If the Walmart ones aren't your vibe, you want something that's a little bit more flowy, a little bit more covered in the arms, then this is definitely the one for you. Item number 3 is this Sherpa quarter zip. Now this is the one casual piece that I brought in. I brought it in the size extra, extra large. The color name is Red Velvet. They have 5 other colors available. The cost is $49.99. It is super cozy, very warm, makes a really great gift if you're not thinking about getting this for yourself. Really, really nice gift because it is so cozy and so warm, and it's got that really cool Sherpa fabric. This is really good for very casual get-togethers. You don't want to be dressed up for the holidays, but you want to wear something really pretty, really nice, and really warm. This is the piece for you. It is gathered at the wrists and at the waist, and not like in an elasticy kind of way. It just has this like I don't know, it's got like this finish on it that causes it to kind of bubble under a little bit at the wrists and at the waist, but for me, I don't think that's a bad thing. It does have the high neck. It is really excellent for chilly weather. If you're going to go out looking at lights, or if this is something that maybe you want to wear to top off your gym outfit, or you're just going to want to wear it out and about running errands, this is a really, really cool little top. And I liked it because of the color, first of all, because I love all things burgundy. But secondly, I really thought it was really cool that it had that finish along the sleeves and along the neck and things like that. And I just felt that it's a really, really nice piece to bring in for the holidays, to be cozy and warm, even if all you're going to do is wear it at home. I think this is a really pretty piece. I love the fact that it's Sherpa, and I like the fact that it's casual. Not everything is about being dressed up. So this is a really, really good piece for that. And again, a really great gift for someone because it's so cozy and so lovely and really feels more expensive than it actually is. So number 4 is the extra high waist tuxedo wide leg pant. I have it in the size 18 petite. The only color available is called Blackjack. The cost for the pants are $54.99. The pants have got an adjustable waist. That was the first thing that surprised me when I put it on. There's a button on either side of the waistline of the pant, and you can button it to tighten it up or loosen it up as you need to. It is a true size 18 though, because it did fit me really just perfectly at the waist. The length is near perfect. If I had been wearing heels, like taller heels, these pants, the length would have been perfect. But because I'm wearing a kitten heel, I would say that I might have to hem it about an inch. So just know that even in the petite, they do run slightly long, in the sense that I think the intent is that you would wear these with heels. I really love the satin lining along the leg. It also has got the same kind of satin at the waistline. You've got a couple of little finishes there, fabric and a different kind of finish that adds a little bit of contrast to the pant. It is a pleated pant. It does have slash pockets. I think that these pants are actually quite lovely and very versatile. I like the fact that you've got that satin at the sides, giving it that tuxedo kind of look. I like the fact that these are low-key dressy, so you can dress them up. Maybe if you have like a tuxedo jacket, or if you've got like a velvet jacket, I think the finishes would be really, really good, because you know, you've got different textures with the velvet and the satin and the crepe. They're actually quite nice. They're very comfortable. I like the fact that you do have that adjustable waistband on there in case you need to, you know, if maybe you've got to fit your hips or your backside and the waist might be a little bit big. Well, you can make adjustments to kind of help cinch that in a little bit. So I think that's a really nice little touch that they gave these pants. And I am wearing it with a studded, like a crystal studded cardigan that I got from Walmart, because I thought this would make a really beautiful festive outfit for like a slightly more casual kind of gathering, or something where you're not like dressed to the nines, but you are dressed up for the season. So really versatile pant, I think. I also like the fact that they are wide leg. I think that that's a plus. If you adjust the length, they're going to be really, really great pants for you for the season. Something that, again, like I said, is a low-key festive outfit, or you can dress it up more if you want to with like a sequin top or something like that. So there's a lot of versatility with these pants. They can go dressed casually on up to dressy. Number 5 is this fit and flare crepe dress. I brought it in a size extra, extra large. They have it available in black as well as in red. The cost of the dress is $49.99. I really like this dress. I thought that it was quite beautiful. However, it was definitely snug across my chest. So if you have a larger chest than I do, I would definitely advise for you to size up on this dress. I really, really like the skirt of the dress. It has this really nice slit on it that actually reminds me a lot of a Reformation dress that is out there. If you're not familiar with Reformation, they're a higher end sustainable brand that has got a particular dress that is very reminiscent of this dress, that's got that fit and flare kind of style. But it's a really beautiful blank canvas kind of dress that you can do a lot of things with. I think it would look especially beautiful in the red, especially given the season, but even outside of the season, because if you think about this beautiful red dress, you could easily take it into Valentine's Day. So you're going to get a little bit more use, not to mention the fact that even though it does have a wider square neckline, pop a blazer on this and you could wear it to the office. So there's a lot of versatility with this dress. With the right accessories, you can make it look a lot more dressy than it actually is. Or you can bring it down with like some flats or even a pair of sneakers, you know, and dress it down as well. So there's a lot that you can do here. It's, like I said, a really, really great blank canvas kind of piece to have in your closet that can be dressed in so many different ways. I like the fabric too, by the way. The fabric is really nice. I think it's a rayon, as if I had to guess. It floats and flows very, very beautifully. But again, just remember that the top is very fitted, which really does bring to mind Reformation, because they do that really fitted top on their dresses. So size up if you need to. And the sleeves fit very nicely. They were a perfect fit, as a matter of fact. They do have smocking on the back, so that helps to give the bodice a little bit of give. But yeah, you probably still want to size up if you've got a larger chest. Number 6 is the love of my wardrobe. This is the love of my wardrobe. It is this taffeta midi swing skirt. I brought it in a size extra, extra large. They have it in the color red and they have it in the color black. I brought in the red. And the cost of the skirt is $39.99. I am completely in love with this skirt. When I was placing the order for this haul and I found this online, I knew that I was going to keep it. I knew I was going to keep it because I knew that it was going to be a stunner, and it is. I love a full swing skirt. It's like my favorite skirt profile, I think, this year is that fuller skirt. And I think that they're just very feminine. They're very beautiful, and in a skirt, incredibly versatile. This is done in a really beautiful red taffeta, and you can tell that it is taffeta. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it, which gives it that dressier vibe. It has an elasticated waist, and the back, it does, you know, stretch, so it is very, very comfortable in fit. It has pockets. It's got the full skirt vibe, and it also has got the really wide hem, which to me is such a beautiful touch on a skirt or a dress. I think it gives it a really luxurious feel. And oh, I love this skirt so much. Now here I am channeling my inner Carolina Herrera. I am wearing it with a white button down shirt, which I think is so beautiful and so sexy. I do have a pair of designer shoes on with this dress. These are my Manolo Blahnik Harisi, I think that's how you pronounce it, pump in red with the red crystal. I will have affordable options on the shoe linked as well with this outfit. Now it's selling out in the black, and I'm like, okay, yeah, I get it. Black is, you know, black is black, and but the red, guys, the red, oh my Lord, the red. It is so, so beautiful. I love it. And it's going to be a skirt that I can wear year round because the taffeta isn't too thick. You know, it's not too heavy. It is a little bit lightweight, so it does have a little bit of flow and movement, and is something that I could easily wear now, and I could easily wear it in the summer. It's not going to be too hot or anything like that. Such a pretty skirt. If you get it, you need to get it in the red. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. I just can't stop. I can't wait to style it for you guys too, because it's just, it has my heart. It really does. It has my heart. It's a beautiful, beautiful skirt. Let me know if you enjoy Old Navy hauls, and I will continue to bring stuff in from Old Navy. I'm going to leave you with my latest Walmart festive outfits haul in case you are shopping around for other festive outfits. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you in that video. Bye.